Jamie Toe.
Hello?
Hello?
Yes, how you doing, boss?
Hello?
I got a question for you. Can you hear me?
I can. It's real. You're muffled a little bit, yeah, but I can hear you.
The guy in the commercial?
I am that guy.
You are for real?
I am for real. It's Jason.
You sound like him too. That's true. That's why I said that.
I get that a lot. We were just talking about that.
Yeah, you sound just like that, boy.
I hope so.
I get that a lot.
I hope I sound like him.
You sound just like that, motherfucker, boy.
Well, it's coincidental. That's because that's who I am. So, yeah, we were literally just talking about that a minute ago.
You serious? You are him for real?
I am, bro. I promise you. I would not be talking.
Are you the guy who did the dollies with the box truck?
I am the guy that did the dollies with the box truck.
Yeah. Look at that. That's funny. That's nice. That's right. I got questions for you, and maybe I want to order something.
Well, I would love to answer your questions and take your order.
Okay. That's nice. I like that. Maybe I can start with AW.
Yeah.
But this is my first time calling you. I was looking through your I'm like, damn, they sell too. I'm like, I give them a call and see what's up with them. You know what I'm saying? Look who I bump into. That guy. Listen, I have a lift and tow, the Z series.
Yeah.
Right? Do they have any motorcycle attachments, like the condor attachments and stuff like that?
I don't know if they have anything specific for the lift and tow.
But I mean, are they specific, or the condor ones just fit on any retro or whatever? Or
well, the Condor is not really designed to sit on the wheel lift of a wrecker. People just do it. The Condor is technically designed to be pulled up a flatbed. When I get a chance...
Wait. How you going to put that on a flatbed?
What do you mean? The Condor's got wheels on it.
Nah, I'm not talking about that one. I'm talking about the one that hooks right to the boom bar. It looks like a beam. It looks like a beam.
Well, now, there's a good chance that will hook on there, but, I mean, there's a few different versions, and usually what you're talking about is the version that a lot of the manufacturers build. So I'm not saying it won't fit on a lift and tow, but I would find somebody that had one or find the measurements from one so you could make sure that it would fit your truck, because some of them things are crazy expensive. So, I mean, I'd hate to see you spend
it's like $500.
Yeah, I'd hate to see you spend $500 on something that don't fit.
Yes.
With that, you're having to alter it. I have one coming that I need to finish building.
I've seen this guy out, I think in Tennessee, he has a Minuteman lift, and that Minuteman lift is kind of sort of like the same boom.
Yeah, it's all real similar. Minuteman, lift and tow, there's another one out there now, too. I can't think of the name of it.
Is it Patriot? Patriot.
Yeah, it might be. There's like 4 or 5 of them out there now. There's a bunch coming from overseas, too, now.
There's somebody over there by you that's doing some over
there. There is a guy in Orlando. There's a lift and tow guy. There's definitely a lift and tow distributor out in Orlando, and I think there's a guy locally. I don't know who he is, but you're just be the second person that's mentioned that's building some kind of wheel lift, but I think it's for a forklift. I don't think it's for a truck. I'm not sure.
And I remember the name. It was Patriot. I don't know where they out of, but I think they're from Boston. I'm not sure. But, you know, I've been looking around. But, yeah, man, keep doing your thing. But what do you think? What? I need something to snatch up these motorcycles, man.
I have a good friend of mine that has the lift and tow, and I guarantee he's put motorcycles on it. So you can message me on this number. I will reach out to him and ask him what he uses to put motorcycles on his lift and tow.
Yeah, let's order it. Let's see it.
So